students, welcome to this presentation on eggs. The nutritive value of eggs. The egg contains protein, ovalbumin, mucin, vitellin. The protein is used by the body for growth, repair, maintenance, energy, and in the making of hormones and enzymes. The egg yolk contains saturated fat. The saturated fat is used by the body for energy, warmth, in the absorption of the fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E and K. The egg contains iron. The body uses the iron in hemoglobin production, which transports oxygen and aids the release of energy from glucosion. The iron aids in the prevention of anemia. The egg contains phosphorus. The body uses the phosphorus to work together with calcium in the formation of bones and teeth. The egg contains sulfur. The body uses sulfur in the formation of protoplasm, a component of protein. Uses of eggs in cooking. 1. Trapping air. Whole eggs are whisked together with sugar, in Swiss roll etc. The egg white traps the air and increases the original volume by 7 times because the ovalbumin stretches in the meringue. 2. Lightening, make less dense. The whisked egg white is folded into mousse and cakes. 3. Thickening of custard sauces, soups because the protein coagulates, sets, at 60 degrees Celsius during heating. 4. Emulsifying. Lecithin in the egg yolk acts as an emulsifying agent in mayonnaise and hollandaise. 5. Binding ingredients are mixed with egg and this binds together through the coagulation of protein during cooking burgers, rissoles, fish cakes, etc. 6. Setting the liquid filling which contains eggs, sets during cooking. Quiche egg tarts, baked cake. 7. Coating with egg, breadcrumbs or flour. It forms a seal around food, which prevents the absorption of fat during the deep frying in oil. This prevents the breaking up of the proteins. 8. Glazing with egg white or yolk or the whole egg on pastries and bread. It adds shine and browns on heating due to the denaturation of protein. 9. Enriching foods by adding extra HBV protein to sauces, soups, bread, milk pudding. 10. Garnishing. Hard-boiled egg in salads, separated egg white and egg yolk on dressed crab, etc. 11. As a main dish, boiled, poached, scrambled or an omelette, etc. It is easily digested, a quick dish to cook and an excellent source of inexpensive HBV protein. 12. Clarifying. The whisked egg white is added into consommes and mint jelly. What changes happen during boiling an egg? The egg white protein coagulates at 60 degrees Celsius and the egg yolk at 66 degrees Celsius. The egg white becomes opaque and the yolk sets. Protein denatures when heated. These changes cannot be reversed. The egg white continues to thicken. After 70 degrees C, the egg becomes dry and rubbery. When it is overcooked, it is less digestible. A green-black ring forms around yolk. This is caused by iron sulfide, the sulfur in the white plus the iron in yolk combining. How to check eggs for freshness. 1. Place in salted water or brine. A fresh egg sinks and stale egg floats. 2. Crack the egg onto a saucer. Look out for these. A fresh egg has a raised yolk and a prominent thick white and a little thin white. A stale egg has a flat yolk, no thick white and a watery, well-spread thin white. Groups who may be at risk from eggs. Babies. Elderly. Sick people. Pregnant women. People who have an allergy to eggs. Reasons they may be at risk. Eggs are protein. This food has ideal conditions for microorganism growth. Eggs are moist and this makes them ideal conditions for microorganism growth. Eggs are easily contaminated due to porous shell. Eggs may contain salmonella. Eggs are dangerous if not cooked properly due to salmonella. Some people have an inability to digest egg protein, lysine. This may cause an allergic reaction. Thanks for watching. You have been excellent.